Sentence patterns of causative verbs of have and get. Test of English as a foreign language or TOEFL. Number 1, which of the following sentences is correct? Okay. B, I had my car fixed yesterday. Hello everyone. In the episode 55, I would like to discuss 3 segments of causative verbs. 1. Causative verbs explanation and how to use it. 2. Examples and their descriptions. 3. Causative verb in test of English as a foreign language or TOEFL and solutions. Well, now listen to me carefully. Causative sentence is a sentence in which the subject does not take an action himself or herself but to ask or need another person or other party to take an action. A causative verb indicates that a person or thing is causing another action to occur by someone or something else. Some common causative verbs are let, make, get, have, and help. Causative verbs are used when one person or thing is a stimulus that enables or causes someone or something else to carry out the main action in a sentence. These verbs have similar meanings but differ in their formality and sentence structure. Well, in this discussion, I would like to explain only causative verbs of have and get as follows. Sentence patterns of causative of have. Active sentence pattern. Subject plus have, has, or had plus someone plus do plus object. Someone here is a person who does the action, and then do here is infinitive verb with a to. Object here is something done by someone. In passive sentence pattern, subject plus have or has or had something plus done plus by object. By object here is bracketed, means that we can use a noun, done past participle. Something is what is done by a person. Have, has, or had indicates the tense of the sentence, and then causative of get in active sentence. The sentence pattern is subject plus get or gets or got plus someone to do plus object. Someone here is someone who does the action, and to do here is to infinitive of the verb. In passive sentence patterns, subject plus get or gets plus got plus something plus done plus by object. By object here is also an option. Done here is past participle form of a verb referring to the action done by someone. Well, now we go on to the examples. Number 1, the nurse checked the patient's vital signs. The doctor had the patient's vital signs checked by the nurse. The doctor got the nurse to check the patient's vital signs. The doctor got the patient's vital signs checked by the nurse. The four sentences here are past tense forms, so we use had or got. Examples are number one, based on the sentence patterns of causative verb of have or get. Do you know the difference between the two causative verb of have or get? The difference is in the active form. Get is to infinitive, but in causative verb of have followed by infinitive with a to. Number two, a surgeon has nurses prepare surgery equipment. A surgeon has surgery equipment prepared by nurses. A surgeon gets nurses to prepare surgery equipment. A surgeon gets nurses to prepare surgery equipment. A surgeon gets surgery equipment prepared by nurses. Also consists of four causative verb of have or get in active and in passive construction. Example number three, the doctor has the nurse provide patients and their families with information of patient's condition. The doctor has patients and their families with information of patient's condition provided by a nurse. The doctor gets the nurse to provide patients and their families with information of the patient's condition. The doctor gets patients and their families with information of patient's condition provided by the nurse. Example number four, the lecturer had a student explain the top 10 duties of a nurse in front of the classroom. The lecturer had the top 10 duties of a nurse explained by students in front of the classroom. The lecturer got the student to explain the top 10 duties of a nurse in front of the classroom. The lecturer got the top 10 duties of a nurse explained by students in front of the classroom. Example on number 5, the hospital management has the medical workers always wear personal protective equipment. The hospital management has personal protective equipment always worn by medical workers. The hospital management gets the medical workers always to wear personal protective equipment. The hospital management gets personal protective equipment always worn by medical workers. Well, everyone, I would like to remind you that a causative sentence pattern is used if the subject needs another person to do something. Well, everyone, in the last segment, I would like to discuss how to answer the test of English as a foreign language or TOEFL. After you memorize the sentence pattern of causative verbs, have someone do, have something done, get someone to do, get something done, so it's easy to answer the questions. Number 1, which of the following sentences is correct? Okay. B, I had my car fixed yesterday. Number 2, which of the following sentences is correct? It's okay. D, I got my hair cut yesterday. Number 3, I had my car blah blah blah. Alright, the answer is was. Number 4, he got the mechanic blah blah blah. It's okay. A, to fix his washing machine. 5, did you tell the shop to deliver the sofa to you? It's alright. B, yes, I got the shop to deliver the sofa to me. Number 6, the teacher told the students to write the answers on the whiteboard. It means it's okay. See, the teacher had the answers written on the whiteboard by students. Number 7. What's the answer? Alright, A. My doctor had me take the medication. Number 8. Which one is correct? That's good answer. The job got me to speak English fluently. 9. Which one is correct? Very good. D. The teacher had me leave the class early because I was sick. The last 10. Which one is right? Very good. C. The manager has his car checked once a week. Thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next episode in different topic. Bye bye.